Once a king presented his daughter with a diamond necklace, a beautiful diamond necklace. The princess was overjoyed and she used to wear it proudly wherever she went. One day, the diamond necklace was found missing. Everyone in the palace was set on search to look for the necklace. People searched all over and still couldn't find it. Some said maybe the princess would have misplaced it somewhere, and some said maybe a bird would have taken it, and the rest said it may have been stolen. But still, the necklace was not to be found. So the king announces a prize of 100,000 gold coins for the person who brings the diamond necklace back to the princess. So everyone goes out in search of it, and it was not found. One day, when a young man was walking down a river next to a factory, as he looked into the river, he saw how dirty the river was and how disgusting the smell was, all because of the waste that was flowing out into the river from the nearby factory. As he was pondering over what a beautiful river this used to be once upon a time, he suddenly saw among the dirt and sludge something shining and bright. And he looks at it close and realizes it is the diamond necklace, the princess's diamond necklace. Oh, he's overjoyed. He imagines himself winning the gold coins, and he's very happy. So without a second thought of having to put his hand inside so much of dirt, he puts his hand in to take the necklace out. When he puts his hand in and brings it out, he realizes the necklace is not in his hand. He's much surprised. He looks again and sees the diamond necklace again there. So again he puts his hand inside to take it out. And even this time, the necklace doesn't come in his hand. So he's worried and he gets anxious. So he immediately steps into the river. He steps into the river, forgetting about getting dirty. And he starts to look for the necklace. And he sees it, yes. And he picks it up and realizes the necklace doesn't come up again. Now he gets frustrated and wonders, why am I not able to pick up the diamond necklace? So in his frustration, he plunges head on into the river. He plunges head on and he's covered with dirt right from head to toe. And even then, he's not able to retrieve the diamond necklace. In utter frustration and despair, he comes out of the river and very tired, he rests under a tree very close to the river. And he watches the river and the diamond necklace that is shining inside, and he wonders how to get it. As he's seated there, a wise old man comes along. And he sees this young man tired, worried, and frustrated, and asks him the reason why he is upset. The young man does not want to say the reason because he feels if he tells the wise man the reason, he may dive into the river and take the necklace and win the gold coins. So he hesitates to tell the wise man. But the wise man coaxes him and tells him, "You tell me, definitely I'd be able to help you out on this problem. So after much hesitation, the young man tells him that the princess's diamond necklace is there in the river and he is unable to get it. The wise man looks at the diamond necklace and then at the young man and smiles. You have been looking at the wrong place for the diamond necklace. The young man is puzzled. What do you mean? I can see it right there, but I'm not able to pick it up. So the wise man says, you shouldn't be looking in. You shouldn't be looking into the river. You shouldn't be looking down into the river. Look up. Confused, the young man looks up, and to his surprise, he sees the diamond necklace hanging on a branch of the tree that is just over the river. And the necklace that he's been trying to retrieve from the water is the mere reflection of the diamond necklace. Yes, we all run after that happiness. We all want that peace. We all want that everlasting fulfillment and content in life. But we fail to realize that we will never be able to find it in the dirt and the marsh of the materialistic world. Because what you will see in the dirty, slushy water is just the mere reflection of that everlasting happiness that is right above. Your search has to be upward towards the divine, towards real happiness, towards real peace. And that can be found only when you look up to the divine and experience it.